Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new app folder inside your workspace on Base44 to organize your app projects through these folders. So let us guide you through this. Log into your account on Base44 and select your workspace in the top left corner first. I will go with this one. Next, click into all apps here on the left hand side. And here you will see an overview of all apps you have stored inside your workspace here on Base44. So to create a new folder, click into this button in the top right, give your folder a name, for example, app projects 01 or something like that. And then click into create here. And now you can move the given app project to the folder by checking this checkbox to the left, click into move. And now it's inside that folder. You can navigate back to that overview and select the given folder. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.